This event is the culmination of literally hundreds of hours of work by many who are here today from Greenfield, the IDA, DPS Engineering, and the Laois County Council.
So Greenfield started 30 years ago by my father, Ken Field. It started off as an industrial alcohol business and then grew into a renewable energy business where we make fuel ethanol. We're the largest fuel ethanol manufacturer in Canada.
I'm a momentous day for our organisation Greenfield, and I believe a momentous day for Portlaoise and Midlands.
My first trip to Ireland was in February of 2018, and we're sitting here now in April of 2019 with a commitment and purchased land. Without the IDA, that would have not happened.
I saw the opportunity that was here for Greenfield that really could only be obtained if they were to get on the ground here in Ireland.
It's also a great stepping stone for us into Europe, where we can easily get our product from Canada or the United States to Ireland in bulk, manufacture it here, and then we can take that product and not only sell it within Ireland, but also distribute to our customers in mainland Europe.
They are going to realise up to 100 jobs during construction over the next 12 months. They're hoping to turn their first sod in the next couple of weeks, so it'll be a busy construction site until it opens in Q2 2020.
The choice was simple, quite frankly. We're growing our life science business. In doing so, we wanted to be where our customers are. And because there's been $10 billion spent over the past 10 years in life science in Ireland, it made sense for us to be here. And so with that kind of tailwind that we have, we're really excited to launch in Ireland.